What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. B-rad The Builder here, and in today's video we're going to be working on my 2021 MT07 and installing Womet Tech rear stand spools and sliders. Let's get into the video. So if you guys are wondering where I picked these up, I picked them up at tstindustries.com. I'll put a link in the description. But taking a closer look here, these are end specific. This is going to allow room for the bolt or the nut on the other side. So that's going to go on that side. And then on the other end here, you kind of have that chamfered surface, which is going to go into here. So first step, take this apart. Get some thread locker on these bolts here, and I'll show you how to put it in. So why would you install these? Pretty much the main reasons are sliders are a good add-on for crash protection. It's not going to do a whole lot, but it's just a little bit that'll help protect the bike in the event of a simple lay down, nothing extreme. It also looks pretty cool, and their main functionality here for stands. But if you're not going to put stands on your bike, you're just probably buying it for the slide protection, but it's a nice add-on. It's not that expensive. And like I said, go ahead and check out TST's website to find these. Link will be in the description. And yeah. So I highly recommend that you go to the store and you pick up some thread locker. I'm using high strength. I don't want anything coming off when I'm riding. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit to the threads here. Do that for both bolts. And then I'm gonna go ahead and stick in our rod here. Just go right through to the axle there. And then I'm gonna start on this side. And we're gonna use this one and this combination here. Air bolt with the thread locker. I'm gonna go ahead and use a 5mm Allen socket and get that started. Okay. And then on the other side here, we're gonna take this one here that's got that cutout for that nut. We're gonna go ahead, put our 5mm bolt through here and go ahead and get that started. Use your 5mm Allen socket. Put that in there, and we're gonna push from the other side, from the other spool. Then again, come around to this side and just go ahead and snug that up again. Push on the other side to keep it firm. All right. As always, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful for you. I also have a tutorial on the Akrapovic Full Racing Line exhaust, how to put that in. Links will be up above. Power Commander 5. Got a Radiator Guard installed now. Some other various videos on TST Read taillights, some other modifications, mirrors, all kinds of good stuff, so go check that out. But if this tutorial was helpful for you, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.